How to see hidden mentions on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to see a mention that is hidden for any Instagram stories. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app. And let's go ahead and tap on any stories. Now, in order to see the hidden mention for this story, even if you zoom in the screen, you won't be able to see the hidden mentions. The uploader of this story has mentioned a person in such a way that no other user will be able to see the person. You can also do the same by hiding the name on top of the screen or minimizing its size so that it won't be visible. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.